Hey guys, ready for some great gadgets? This time you'll see an unusual helmet, mind-blowing ring, and an entertaining system limited to a cube size. There's also a pair of cool accessories for your phone, either for playing games or diving. Don't forget to check out the description box with all the links to the products. Let's get started. Even after all these years, fidget spinners are still getting more and more creative. Hard rock fans will definitely appreciate this terrifying one called Devil's Son. The spinner is fully made of stainless steel, which makes it extremely durable. Moreover, it also doubles as a stylish ring. And this pattern is a bit more sophisticated. Aside from the skeleton, it features some additional engravings and several black ceramic beads. There are two color options to choose from. The last one stands out with an unusual triangular shape. It looks especially shiny thanks to the premium materials. There are several different versions using brass, copper, and zirconium alloy. Awesome accessories. Okay, so you've got a cool console. It's time to improve the sound. This speaker by GameSir is designed similarly to the Spetsnaz helmet, which is often used in the Soviet Union Special Army. And it's also included in the PUBG game. But let's take a closer look. Bluetooth 4.2 brings high-fidelity wireless music streaming with a connecting range up to 30 feet. The composite vibrating diaphragm gives excellent bass performance and ensures balanced dispersion of sound. 500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery guarantees you 3 hours of non-stop playing. Aluminum alloy metallic mask and black polished UV coating provide outstanding texture and stunning appearance. Hanging hole on top makes the device even more portable. Oh, did you notice the RGB lights under the mask flashing along with the music rhythm? Nobody loves warm beer, but keeping it always cold isn't that easy. Well, now it is. Forget about ice buckets and all that stuff. This thing will keep your beer cold even if you're far from the fridge. You just have to freeze the gadget for 45 minutes, then insert it in the bottle. It fits any 9-inch bottle and even the taller ones. The stainless steel frame freezes quickly and it's easy to wash. You won't have to open the bottle again. 4 vents on top of the gadget allow perfect flow for your beer. And yes, it's dishwasher friendly. This ultimate tablet holder takes your bedtime experience to a whole new level. The flexible gooseneck legs are easy to adjust and stand firmly on uneven surfaces. Universal restraining strap allows perfect fixing tablets of virtually any size and shape. The stand features 3 viewing angles for comfy video conferencing, reading, and watching YouTube in different positions. You can also use the stand to raise the tablet to eye height when placed on your desk. Great option for work. Small footprint means you don't need much space to place the stand. Finally, the foldable legs allow easy storage. Underwater pics look so cool. We all know that. Would you like to take one as a new wallpaper? Here's the device that'll help you do that. This is a fully sealed IPX8 certified phone diving case that can be used underwater up to 130 feet. The sturdy case encases your iPhone, which makes it completely waterproof and allows you to swim freely under the water. Well, not only swim, Dive Touch technology allows full access to all the functions and apps on your iPhone through touchscreen operation. You can listen to music, compass your positioning, make emergency calls, even play games underwater. The device is equipped with a wide-angle and dual lens set, which takes your photos and underwater shooting to the next level. From now on, you're recording your adventure without missing any details. If the battery's low, just put the device on your wireless charging dock, right in the case. No matter the water sports you're into, you'll definitely have the best shots. With this gadget, you'll never have to order pizza again, because your homemade one will be 100 times better. The rotating mechanism allows even baking while keeping it easy to watch the process. There are heating elements both in the top and bottom, so your food is baked from 2 sides. Moreover, you can individually control and set up different temperatures for each element. Unlike conventional ovens, this gadget doesn't need preheating. It's a big deal when you're starving. And this way, you're saving up to 60% energy. The built-in timer allows this oven to turn off the heat when your food is ready. Aside from pizza, this thing is perfectly suitable for all sorts of snacks. Rubik's Cube will never be the same again. It used to be a fun toy, but now it's an innovative gaming console. So instead of playing colorful bricks, this cube is equipped with 24 high-resolution displays. It consists of 8 separate modules which are connected by strong magnets. They allow broad functionality, including dozens of different games. Aside from regular taps, the Cube supports new ways of interaction like tilting, shaking, and twisting. But it's not just a toy. The Cube also provides you with all sorts of beautiful widgets. It displays your messages, photos, weather, and smart home data. To download new apps and updates, you have to simply pair the Cube with your phone via Bluetooth. Moreover, you can create your own games using the Open SDK. You still want a PS5? Are you one of those people who's always cold at night? You'll like this mattress pad then. Its water heating technology provides a more even heat without the risk of fire or overheating. The installation will take you a few minutes. Just connect the mattress to the controls and fill it with water. Dual temperature controls allow you to set the most preferable temperature for you and your partner. Of course, there are a lot of other cool features. Sterilization mode will help you get rid of possible germs. The timer will turn the mattress off automatically if it works for too long and warn you if the temperature you're setting is a bit higher than usual. Two more important things. It's washable and it's paper thin. That's a combo. If you find traditional watches too large and uncomfortable, maybe you should wear a ring instead. Now there's a ring that shows the time. These engraved slits are equipped with bright LEDs, either blue or orange ones. When you slightly rotate the ring, the digits line up for 15 seconds so you can clearly see the time. The ring is fully made of surgical stainless steel that's both sleek and durable. The gadget is completely waterproof. You'll have to charge it once in 3 to 5 days, but that shouldn't bother you too much. There's a beautiful wireless charging pad included in the package. There's a huge variety of sizes and color options to choose from. At least you won't be like everyone else. Here's the main issue of those who are into swimming. How are you supposed to track the time when you can't see the pace clock? Meet the swimming goggles with the built-in smart display that'll show real-time metrics while you swim. There's no need to push the buttons in the middle of your set. The goggles detect everything automatically, including intervals, rest, and stroke type. When in open water, just sync the device with either Garmin smartwatches or Apple Watch and get real-time data like distance, heart rate, and pace. Special app for your smartphone will monitor the progress. Featuring permanent chemical-resistant anti-fog, contoured silicone eye seals, 7 nose bridge sizes, adjustable silicone strap, and battery with 16 hours of life, it's the best sports equipment you could ever imagine. Just swim. If you're into mobile gaming, at some point you'll have to deal with enormous heat. So your phone needs some proper water cooling, just like a gaming PC. This cooler attaches to the back of your phone, providing comfortable grip. There's a thick cooling plate inside made of aviation alloy. The sleek water tank is equipped with a powerful brushless motor. The built-in RGB lights make it look awesome in the dark. Safety is also thought through. Sounds great.